Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already know the function. Now write y equals f, x, and simplify any algebraic terms. Once done, find the y-intercept by setting x equal to 0 and calculating y equals f 0. That gives the point 0, y. Next, prepare to find x-intercepts by setting y to 0 and solving f, x, equals 0. Make sure to isolate x and note domain restrictions before solving. These first steps switch the problem from description to solvable equations you can work through. Now solve f, x, equals 0 using the method that fits the expression. Factor when possible. Apply the quadratic formula for x2 plus bx plus c. Use substitution for higher degree polynomials or numeric methods for complicated expressions. Once you have candidate x values, check multiplicity. Repeated roots mean the graph touches rather than crosses. Also substitute each solution back into the original equation to discard extraneous roots from earlier manipulations or restricted domains. Finish by formatting answers as ordered pairs. The y-intercept is 0, y, and each x-intercept is x, 0. Once done, verify every intercept by substituting into the original function, and when possible, sketch or use a graphing tool to confirm. If values don't match the graph, recheck algebraic steps, watch for divided by 0 or domain restrictions, and correct arithmetic mistakes. A single wrong sign or lost factor often causes errors. Fix that and reevaluate the solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.